What is up, guys? JaretCampisi with my good buddy Dotto, back for another episode of the Carbon V4 series, where we take one of the best motorcycles in the world, make it lighter and faster, full carbon, and then we give it away when we're done. If you want to support and be entered to win this bad boy, check out the Patreon page. It's the first link in the description below. We only have 2 episodes left after this episode right here. So if you want to win this guy, go over there and get your ass signed up. This will be the last install video, and we have a dyno episode, and then we have Dotto and I ride the bike and clean it up and talk about the build, and that's it. So we're freaking pretty much done, guys. So again, get signed up if you're interested. We got to do some couple cool mods left here to really polish this bad boy up, and I'm excited. Let's sit back and relax and enjoy the episode. Alright, so on the agenda today, bar ends for the CRG Aero bar end mirrors, just black, they'll go on today. We're not going to install the mirrors because we'll have to take them off anyway when we ship the bike. Next thing we're going to do is the much anticipated and awaited full carbon kickstand. I think it's one of the first ones rolling out of the Full 6 factory, so that will be going on today. And then we're also going to be doing some parts from Desmo World. They hit me up, they said, hey, we did a laser engraved fuel cap, or oil cap for you. It says Campisi Customs on there, Desmo World, really, really cool company. Manny actually hit them up, and I think he's carrying their parts now as well, so you can get these parts on Moto Million's website. And then we're also going to be installing some carbon fiber brake ducts, and these are spacers that go on the Brembo calipers. So really cool, like really, really cool detailed parts to just make the bike pop. And of course, the part that I just mentioned, the carbon fiber brake cooling ducts, which are really freaking cool, one of a kind. You can get all these parts from Moto Million. There's discount codes in the description. Make sure you use those. Save yourself some money. And the final thing is the stickers. And the patrons actually voted to not put the stickers on. So we're gonna just wait, hold off, and I'll send them along with the new owner. They'll have their choice between the red or the black stickers. And I'll be really curious to see whatever he or she chooses. So that's what we're going to do today. Sit back and relax and enjoy it. Alright, starting off with the bar ends. They're just little bar ends that have these pieces that you put on them, and then you slide them on in, and then as you tighten it, it tightens up inside. And then that's what the actual mirror will clip onto. Actually, it looks a lot better with those on.
Looks complete.
Yeah, and it keeps this from being destroyed if you ever lay it over, which I don't think will ever happen. We're just gonna stick these right in there. See how it's nice, almost tight? Get it at that sweet spot where it starts tightening. Slide it in. Crank her down to proper torque specs according to my sausage fingers, and see if it'll...
Sausage spec?
Yeah, sausage specs.
Nice.
Go.
Boom. Actually, it really looks nice.
It does. It ties the whole bike together, and when you close this down, everything's nice and lines up and it's all black.
Holy shit, that makes such a big difference. We should have put those on a while ago. Alright, teens, we're going to need you to pump that thing up. One of the last times you'll ever see teens pumping a bike. Huh?
This has to come off, Jared.
Oh, really? I just wanted to see what you've learned.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
You wanted me to mess up, make a loud noise.
So you could yell at her.
So you could yell at me.
You're the best, babe. Look at that freaking bike, man. Good lord. How high do you want that, Dotto?
Pretty high.
Yeah, because we're gonna have to take off that bottom panel. So we're gonna do the kickstand next. And in order to do that, we gotta take off the the bottom panel yet again for the final time.
Woo!
Jeez Louise.
Hey, this is kind of weird.
I know, what's going on here?
You guys are breaking the bike at one of the last episodes. I mean, working on it.
This is one of the last things we have to do since I sold my bike. We sold our car, well, we handed our lease back in. We sold Christina's bike, sold my bike. Once we give this away, we're officially off to California.
We're
so
free.
Yeah, bittersweet. Obviously, we'll miss Dotto, but we're really excited. He's gonna come out and visit and stuff anyway, so. All right, let's see if we can get this off.
Carbon is very tough.
Yeah, I do not like taking this thing off. There we go. Tell me when you're close to that side stand.
We're on it.
Oh, okay. Then open that bitch up and put it down.
Hold on, we're also on the
I think I'm alright on my side.
yeah, I got a little bit to go.
I gave you the hard side.
Thanks. That's why you ran over there so fast.
Oh!
Are we good?
Yep.
Okay. Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Alright, start coming down?
Yep. Guys, look at the beautiful colors of this Acura exhaust system. Holy shit. How cool is that? Let's see what the other side looks like. I haven't even checked. Wow. Look at those colors. Teens, I hate you. I mean, this bike is just beautiful. Dotto is looking at like all the wiring and everything. Like even under the hood, this thing is just primo. So, okay, we're gonna get that kickstand uninstalled and let's swap over the carbon one.
My little sausage wrench.
All right, starting the removal of the stock kickstand.
Guys, I had coffee, okay?
He did. Dotto's going nuts over
I haven't drank in like over a month, so I'm a little loopy.
And not nearly as fun to be around. All right, so we got this thing pretty much unhooked. There we go. Slide that out. And now you can see the difference. So there's the stock kickstand, side stand, whatever you want to say, and the carbon one next to it. Look at the freaking difference, guys. Full 6 carbon. You are the freaking shit. I love you guys. And of course, we got this through Manny at Moto Million. So
Best sponsor in the world.
Best sponsor in the world. Thank you. I didn't want to say it, but you know, they really are great. So I guess we got to swap over some other parts here, some other components. So that's what we'll get to next. So even though you don't need it, we did swap the that part over. I don't even know what the hell you want to call it.
I call it the nub.
The nub. But I will mention, I believe Moto Million is now carrying Desmo World's custom nubs for the kickstands. They look really cool. There's black and red and all different types of colors.
Get your custom nubs.
Get your custom nubs, yeah. Okay.
Mud hugger.
To go with your mud huggers. How about it, babe?
Get your custom nubs to go with your mud hugger.
All right, kickstand is installed. We just double checked that the sensor works. Look at that.
You want to show them?
Oh, yeah.
Or...
So the way that the sensor works on this is that there's actually a magnet right here. That's the magnet that actually gets up to this part right here. When it touches that, that's what shuts off the kickstand, so the side stand. So see there, when it's down, oh wait, you have it up?
Up, yeah.
Okay, and then put it down. See how it comes up on the dash? Side stand, then no side stand, yep, perfect. And all he's doing right there is going like that. And that's what allows you to start the bike, turn the bike off, etc. So now we can throw the belly panel back on and see what it looks like. This has got to be the easiest way to clean off a lower belly panel. Instead of laying on the ground trying to get underneath it, just pull that bitch off. There you go. That's the lengths that we go to on this build. I even want your lower belly panel to be nice and clean. Alright, we're still getting the bolts in the belly pan here, but I just wanted to show you that kickstand. Look at how incredible that looks. It really is just phenomenal. Full 6 absolutely outdid themselves. It's a perfect match to the weave, and it just sits in there perfectly. You can see a little bit of the blue exhaust right there. It's so freaking awesome, guys. I'm so happy with this. Look at that. You don't even notice it now. Now the whole bike is blacked out. What do you think, Dotto?
It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
When I saw that fitting with the fairing.
Did you see it, teens?
Yeah. Completes the bike.
Yeah.
It does.
It's freaking awesome. So little things, guys, you know? Christina's laying everything out all nice for us. She made us a little smorgasbord here. Look at her. Oh, isn't she just the best? I almost tripped her. Carbon brake ducts, what we're gonna work on next, the spacers. So just so we're clear, we're replacing these guys. This one here, this one in here. That one that used to hold the reflector's gone, and then same thing on the other side.
Yeah.
F safety.
Who cares?
Carbon. Who needs safety when you got carbon? All right, so removing the caliper bolts.
I think I'm gonna tear up.
These stock poopy caliper bolts and spacers. Those will be replaced by that guy right there. Beautiful. So Look at that. I love these things. So the idea behind these are they funnel air into the brake calipers to keep them nice and cool so you don't get brake fade. Again, probably something that you're not going to notice on the road unless you ride like a crazy asshole like 650 does.
And Christina.
And Christina. But on the track, they will actually make a difference. So those go on, then the spacers go in, and then these are actually just covers. The other part just cover they're caps for the bolts. So little things, little details that look freaking awesome. And we broke it all. Everything's broken. The build's off. Cancel it.
Sorry, guys.
All right, so that's the first side done, guys. Look at those carbon brake ducts. Look phenomenal. And those beautiful caps and spacers from Desmo World that I believe you can now get through Moto Million. So freaking sweet, man. I'm really happy with how that turns out. Let's do the other side. Going in on the right-hand side. I guess the left-hand side if you're sitting on the bike. And I just can't get over how freaking awesome these look. Little touches that just, look so cool.
Look at this bad boy.
You know? I fucking hate you. All right, just like that, this side is finished. Look at those beautiful end caps in black. Carbon brake rotors. Look, freaking brake rotors.
Hey, what's the lip balm for?
I know, that's what it looks like. Let's put that on, that'll be the last piece, the finishing touch. All right, unscrewing the oil cap.
Ooh, what's that say?
Look at that. There it is, Desmo World, Campisi Customs. How freaking cool is that? And they actually hit me up and they just said, hey, we want to send you something for the bike. You know, you don't need to shout us out, you don't need to do anything. We just wanted to send you something. So really cool of them to do. I really appreciate it. That's what this industry is all about. You know, we all love the same thing. We love motorcycles, and I like when people come together. And now they're working with Moto Million. Really, really freaking cool.
All helping one another.
All helping one another. So there you go. That's the final piece that's going on this beautiful full carbon V4 Ducati Panigale. And man, does it look fantastic.
Fantabulous.
Fantastic. So there you go, guys. That's the final episode of installing parts. Again, we have 2 episodes left, and then this bad boy is going to find a new home in the first week of November. So really, really happy with how these little touches came out. The bar ends, the carbon kickstand looks phenomenal. Even the little, you know, carbon brake ducts and all the little Desmo World details.
And the oil cap.
Yeah, the oil cap. Yeah, I'm stoked, guys. I'm really happy with how this turned out. You know, I ordered all these parts 5 months ago, so you know, trying to picture what it's gonna all look like is difficult, and when you see it all come together, it's really freaking awesome. So thank you, Dada, for all your hard work, man. We really appreciate it. Couldn't do it without you. Again, if you guys want to be entered to win this bike, there's 2 episodes left. It'll always be the first link in the description below. Check that out. If you want to get any of the parts we've installed on this motorcycle, there's actually a Carbon V4 playlist, so be sure to check those out. We link all the direct links in the description so you can get the parts for yourself. You can use our code to get discounts. And I think that's about it. So give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more, and we'll see you for the final 2 episodes.